Okay, once you have your new color, we're going to be working what's called the crab stitch. And it's essentially just like a single crochet, but you're going to be working it backwards. And to do that, go ahead and chain one. That way it'll give you a little bit more movement here. You want to find your very first stitch, which is going to be the stitch we just slip stitched into. So I'm going to go ahead and go through, and you can use your hook like a little grabber if you want. Grab up that very first stitch, put your hook through it, grab up your yarn. You have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through, just like you would a single crochet. Now you want to continue this down your row. So again, you're only going to be going through one of the loops, so only the front loops, leaving the back loops alone. So use your hook to grab up that very first post, and then grab up yarn, pull through both of the loops. Again, grabbing up that first stitch, then grab your yarn, pull through both. So when you pull, the trick to this to make it look correctly is when you pull up your loop, you just want to go ahead and just go through. Your loop will be on the hook side. Your new color is on the back side when you go in. If you go in like this, trying to keep it like this, for some reason it just doesn't look right. So you actually have to grab it up, push your hook forward into that stitch, then pull up a loop and pull through. So don't try to be crafty and pick it up and then stay in the front like that. You want to pick it up and just push it on through. And that's how you're going to create this look here. So pick it up with your hook, push your hook through, pick up the new color, and create your single crochet. It's much easier too doing it this way than just trying to grab it and put your hook between. So trust me, it's much easier and the stitch looks correct like that. If not, you're going to get a regular looking single crochet that you did. So you did all this work to go backwards for nothing. So you definitely want to pick it up, push your hook through, then grab your yarn. Just want to do a few here so you can see what it looks like. You can see it start having that wrap look.